going on, everybody? It's Monday the 10th after the holidays. Spent a little time at the house, got some stuff done to the truck, and good thing I did that because I missed all that beautiful weather up in Virginia. So, no, didn't miss that. But yeah, on the road now. I'm in Meridian, I think it is, Mississippi, en route to Rio Rico, Arizona. So yeah, brother gonna stay south for a little bit. We're gonna avoid that bad weather going up north and through the mountains. Nah, not for me. So this is where we at, Mississippi. I was gonna stop in Alabama, but Bulldogs and Crimson Tide play tonight. I ain't feel quite safe there, so yeah, I came on to Mississippi. Go ahead and chill out here tonight, get some rest after the game, and then hit the road. And I'll probably stop off in somewhere in Texas tomorrow night. I should be past Dallas, so that'll be my next stop, and then that next day go right on into Arizona. So I'm trying to take y'all along with me. I don't know if you can see the load behind me. Yeah, so that's the load I got. It's roofing material. They tarped it for me. Well, they put the tarp on. I had to actually do the strapping down, so I need to get better with that tarping, but it's on there, so it's protected. And gonna take it on to Arizona just like that. But yeah, I'm gonna get with y'all, try to take y'all along with me for this trip. And they did all the work as far as the load. You know, they threw the tarp on there, and they all I had to do was throw the straps and strap down the tarp. So the next load, I'm probably gonna be doing most of the work, so I'm trying to catch that on video for you. But yeah, we're gonna make it do tonight. Stay tuned. Downtown. But anyway, just wanted to touch base with you on how things are going. I officially started driving around October 15th, so that's about at the end of this week it'll be 3 months of driving experience. I feel like I've been driving for a lot longer than that, but yeah, it's been great, man. Like I say, learn something every day, learn something new every day. And like 3 of those weeks, the 2 weeks for Christmas and 1 week around Thanksgiving that I took off, about a week. I did go. No, I took a week off for Thanksgiving, but $3 a mile. It's not working for me if I do. And being the owner, I can accept loads that I want. I don't have to do what the company say. And that's one of the things I want to do when I start getting my drivers. They'll be communicating personally with the dispatcher and tell them where they want to go. And then the dispatcher will go and look for the loads to, take them where they want to go. So they'll go and come back home when they want to. As long as the truck making money, it's all good, man. They'll be home every night they want to. They'll be home for all the holidays and birthdays, just like me, man. I ain't missing no more holidays. I ain't missing no more birthdays. And that's the beauty of it, man. Just be able to say, yeah, I'm going there, or no, I'm not going to go there, and not having to be dictated to by someone else. I want to give my drivers that freedom too, because they're gonna go out there and make that money, because the more money they bring into the company, the more money they put in their pocket, and they ain't gonna be stingy with the percentage that I give them. But just to give you an idea, like I said earlier, this load pick up Monday. I'm due to drop it off Thursday. I'll probably be there Wednesday evening, but I'm gonna go ahead if I don't have enough time to drop it off that Thursday morning. It's 6,000, so 3 days worth of driving, $6,000. That ain't too bad. Catch a load coming back, going back to Georgia. You get something else about the same amount, $5,000 to $6,000. That's $10,000 to $12,000 in a week's time. So you put that, 10,000. Let's go on the low end and say it's 10,000 a week for a month. You made 40,000. The truck brought in $40,000 for that month. So as you can see, the more trucks you have, the more revenue that's gonna come in, and then the sky's the limit, man. If you just grind it out, then you got some good people you can depend on, good drivers, people that's gonna grow and succeed with you. That's the plan, man. Give me a couple of drivers, bring them on, and then as the company grows, get them out the truck. Maybe they can help me by being like a fleet manager, be executives in the company, get out the truck. But we'll grow and we'll see how I do. Whenever I do get my next truck, get ready to hire my driver, I'll post it on Facebook. Anybody got some drivers out there, young, old, experienced, non-experienced, all that, something to talk about, something that can be done. Even to the point to where I'm saving up money now. If I got somebody that want to drive and they don't have their CDL yet, I'll be willing to put them through school, CDL school, get the CDL, come drive for the company. Of course, we'll do a little contract saying you got to drive for the company for at least a year or whatever. But yeah, I'm willing to get them started, get them in the company, and hopefully we can keep them on with us and be successful that way. But yeah, that's what's going on with me. Not quite sure where I'm gonna go when I leave here, but usually what happens is I get close to the time to drop off my load. I'm a dispatcher. He'll call me Mr. Carey. Mr. Carey, how's everything going? Everything going good? Blah blah blah. Okay, where you want to go next? What time do you think you be ready to pull out? I'll give him an estimated time when I think we'll drop off the load. I'll tell him about where I want to go. If I want to go home or whatever, and he'll get out there and he'll find a load for me. He'll call me back. Hey, Mr. Carey, this is what I got. He'll tell me this coming from here. You pick it up here, you take it here. It weighs this much. This is the rate per mile. Tarp or no tarp. He give me all the specs. I say yay and nay. If I don't like it, I don't feel like tarping, I say, I don't feel like tarping that next load. Could you find me something else? Like, no problem. I'll get back with you. Go back and try to find something that don't need tarping. So it's just preference, man. And to be able to do that, on your own, just free, it don't feel like work. Like when I was getting ready to get this load and come out to Arizona, I was literally looking at this as a trip to Arizona. I brought my camera with me, in case I get out there and there a canyon or something, take some photos, nice wanted to let y'all know where I sit, at 6 months, for how much this one truck has brought in 3-month increments. And I do it because I want to inspire or encourage someone that's, thinking about starting their own business, and not necessarily trucking, but thinking about starting their own business and jumping out there and doing their own thing. I want to inspire a young entrepreneur. That entrepreneurial spirit, man, is so much of a benefit, man. Quality of life, freedom, to know that it's what you make. If you got confidence in yourself, and like I told my wife, I'm like, I bet on myself any day as far as success goes. And she rolled with me when I bet on myself with this trucking business. So we making it do what it do, and that's for sure. So hopefully we got through the worst part. It wasn't as bumpy as it was last time. Maybe I rode in the wrong lane last time. It was horrible last time, man. I know for sure, man. I had to pull over last time, check my load on my truck, man. I know it rattled some stuff loose going through there. So that's one thing, man. Driving trucks, people just think it's just driving. No, it's a lot more into it than driving. I'm talking about a lot more. And one of the main things, a lot of companies talk about safety this, safety that. It is definitely a safety aspect out here on the road and trucking. It's huge, man. It's number one, it's dangerous because like right now, I have this load. This load weighs 45,000 pounds, and my truck weighs without a load roughly 32,000 pounds. So that's about, what's that? 77, 80,000 pounds is the max you can go. So riding heavy and trying to stop something this heavy, oh man, it takes a while. It ain't gonna just stop on a dime like these cars. It's at times it can be nerve-wracking with some of the cars out here, man. They just pull out in front of you, thinking your brakes gonna work like this, never thinking or considering that, okay, if I pull out in front of this truck, will he be able to slow down in time? Oh man, it's so dangerous. There's so many things that people in cars oblivious to, things that truckers got to go through, got to think about. You're regulated by the Department of Transportation, the government, to do certain things. And one of the things that has to be done is pre-trip inspections, and post-trip inspections too. And pre-trip inspections, you're checking all your lights, you're checking your brakes, you're checking all your fluids, you're making sure that truck is good to go and safe to be on that road. So, and people that don't do that or get complacent, they it's crazy, man.
We're looking for race truck drivers.
They be gambling with their own lives and taking for granted that
Longview to 599, go up there to
think that the thing just gonna work, just because you pulled off, put gas in it, man. That ain't the case at all, man. Anything can go wrong, so you want to make sure you put yourself in the best place possible to be safe on that road. Yeah, man, I'm loving it. Just rode through Shreveport, like I said. I think my next big city I'll be passing through will be Dallas, and we're gonna see if we can make it through Dallas and maybe past Abilene, Texas, and then we'll stop somewhere in Texas for the night before we take off tomorrow morning. But thanks for rolling with me, and we'll see y'all. God bless you. going on, everybody? Finally made it to Rio Rico, Arizona. I'm at this middle school in the valley. I wish they'd have set my appointment for the afternoon when the sun was up, because it's real pretty coming through here. But anyway, we made it. I'm waiting to get unloaded. I got everything untarped, unstrapped, and I got here like an hour and 15 minutes early. I'm glad I did, because there's only one forklift driver, and he got trucks here that he wasn't expecting. So it is what it is. It's trucking. I just wanted y'all to see this, because this is not typically what the flatbed drivers do. Flatbed drivers, most of the daytime operation, because we got to get on the truck, strapped up, down, and all that mess. So usually it's just daytime, but it's nighttime now, and parked over here. Got a little bit of light to help me out, so we're good. Gonna get unloaded, and hopefully I can get me a parking spot at a truck stop. If not, I can find me a place to park and rest. I mean, I got plenty of time on the clock. It's just after dark, most of your truckers, they're trying to get parked and get settled, get their 10 hours worth to reset the clock. And usually after 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, the truck stop's pretty full, especially if it's a busy road. So I doubt I'll find a parking spot, but I'm gonna park somewhere and give me some rest. Just wanted y'all to see this tonight. All right, y'all stay safe out there. God bless, and talk with you later.